Friday morning. We just finished with breakfast and we're on our way to our gay guest house. The weather is absolutely perfect. It's like maybe 75 degrees. Not a cloud in the sky, nice breeze. I mean, just perfect weather. So
that's an option to the airport.
The bus?
Like we did in
at 5 in the morning?
Yeah, like
I don't think so. Love that evergreen, whatever it is. It almost doesn't look real. I've seen them, I think, in Hawaii on the Big Island also. Absolutely perfect day. So we got today, Friday, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. Steve's talking about renting a car to go around the island on Sunday. We'll see how our guest houses work out. Or we'll see.
I think it's on that side.
It's on that side, then we should cross over.
Yeah.
Oh, this is better. You're in the shade. That looks like it's it.
Watch out
There.
this shit there.
All right, this is us. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is us.
There's your black box.
This is us. So we've arrived. I'm not going to show you the side apartments leading to ours because this is clothing optional. But we are the last villa on the right, villa number 7. They just finished cleaning our room. So a little outdoor area here. You walk into a living area. That is Andreas. A little kitchen area.
And we're done.
And
We get coffee in the morning.
Yes.
And cream?
bedroom area. And his sinks, which is good. Walk-in shower, where I'll undoubtedly make a mess. And, oh God, no hose. I don't know what's going on.
This is satellite. If you change channels, only satellite here.
So this goes on here.
Yes.
I'll bring back CNN. Back CNN.
If you change channels, satellite.
Okay.
This is only TV.
TV, yeah. For volume.
For how they made it.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it.
Very nice. Seems to be the smallest one here, though, unfortunately. But that's what it is.
And the terrace, if you
Yes, we saw it.
okay.
Thank you, Andreas.
Enjoy, ciao.
So something for us to do on this Saturday early afternoon. We're heading towards the Las Palomas Dunes. I think that's what they're called. Steve has it mapped out. So we're walking down to some hotel and we're going to hang a left onto the beach, and that's...
Right on.
Is that where the dunes start? Or
Right as the dunes, the beaches are to the left.
Aha.
I want to
Okay.
go to the dunes.
So we'll see what happens. Beautiful day. Nice bright sun. Nice breeze. So he really shouldn't sweat, but I'm sure at least one of us, me, will be getting some color because I gave Steve my hat. Because I'm good like that.
He's a good boy.
I'm concerned about him and his skin cancer.
He has his moments,
Yeah, fleeting though they may be. Kind of like my thoughts.
few and far between.
Yeah. Nice little villas.
Beaches right in the dunes.
So supposedly this is the access road to the dunes. We'll find out soon enough. Steve informs me to the left is the nudies and to the right is the dunes. Which way do we go? So we did the dune thing. We're both glad we did. Even gladder that with the wind at our back and the sand blowing, that once we reached a certain area, there was access to get off that dune area back up onto the main road so you didn't deal with the sand, because that was brutal. So you know you're oceanside in a tourist area when you see silly stuff like this. Yeah.
35 Tagen sehen wir uns wieder.
And I swear to God, the language I hear spoken here 80% of the time is German. Oh my God. Or as they say in Deutschland, ach mein Gott, ach mein lieber Gott. So, welcome to Germany's island in the Atlantic at Sitapak. my God, the Swingers Club. No shame. You gotta love it. Oh my God. For us provincial Americans, it's rather shocking. Or I should say refreshing. And so we're back from our walk, back to our room.
Refresh my memory why I bought the book the backpack.
Well, we didn't know. We thought we'd be on the beach, but it was too damn windy, so that wasn't gonna work.
So why didn't you carry it?
Because you're the bag carrier, you know that.
You get no neighbors?
No, not yet. They're still cleaning. And we're back. That, ladies, fellas, that was our Dunes tour. Oh yeah.
It's terrible, and it never, the party never ends now. Yeah.
So this is one of the gay establishments. There's a lot of them here. This is Sparkles, but it caters to straight people who want to watch a drag show, kind of like Key West. Yeah, Key West used to be gay, and then it became a curiosity for the straights, and that's what they cater to. So that's what that is. I mean, you have German gay bars here, but they're, I mean, okay, it's off season, so maybe off season, that's why, but everybody here is like average age of looking 70, I'm not kidding. And I mean, they're friendly, but it's kind of boring. Yumbo Center. Food's good. Plenty of places to shop and whatnot. I mean, everything you see here is the Yumbo Center. It's like 4 different levels, 3 of them kind of below street level. Tom's Cruising Bar is like the leather bar. If you walk by again, average age is about 70. It looks sad. So,
They're open.
whatever.